For independent practice, you get to choose how much independent practice you want to do to master the skill. We recommend that you take about 30 minutes. If it's you can do a little less or a little bit more, but if it's taking you like hours to get this done, you need to make sure you contact your campfire group and also maybe set up a meeting with your teacher. Okay. You scroll down and you can see that it's a choose your own adventure. So in the independent practice sets here, you can go to Delta Math. You can go, sometimes we'll give you a Khan Academy, a Desmos, a worksheet, UCube. So it's really up to you. If you have really awesome YouTube videos, you can watch those too to help you. Okay. After you're done, you're going to upload a picture of your work and any work that you did showing all your steps for your credit.